Assalamualaikum to our lecturer Encik Muhammad Asri bin Cik. My name is Abdul Hakim Amir bin Abdullah Hadi. My number metric is 14 DKM 19 F1002. So today my group will discuss about potential and kinetic energy. So for my part, I will discuss about two things, which is first an objective and the second one is theory. Okay, let's proceed to the number one, which is an objective. To study about the principle of potential energy and kinetic energy. For the second one is theory. There is 5 main points. Point number 1, the mechanical energy is equal to the work done on a body in altering either its position or its velocity. Point number 2, 3 types of mechanical energy, which is there is potential energy, strain energy, and kinetic energy. Point number 3, unit of energy is in Newton meter or joule. Next, it is the energy possessed by body for doing work by virtue of its position. So here are some formula. PE equal mgh. PE stand for potential energy, where m stand for mass of the body, g stand for gravity of acceleration. For the formula of gravity, 9.81 meter per second square, and h stand for height, distance through which the body falls. For the last point, which is kinetic energy, it is the energy possessed by a body for doing work. So for the kinetic energy formula, Ke equal 1/2 mass velocity square, where m stand for mass of the body and v stand for velocity. Okay, that's all. Iman will continue.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Iman Akasha bin Afandi, metric number 14 DKM 19 F1004. Today, I would like to continue with my part, like shown in slide 3.0 equipment. First, for equipment for this practical task, we have potential energy and kinetic energy kit. Second, we have stopwatch. Stopwatch for timepiece designed to measure the amount of time that elapses between its activation and deactivation. Third, we have ruler. Ruler is device which is used to measure length different object. Fourth, we have weight. Weight is load allowed to be placed on weight hanger, which are lightweight platform attached to a thing with a hook at the top and can increase and decrease the load. Last but not least, hanger. Hanger used to hook the set of weight. Okay, the next part, I would like to explain about procedure. In the procedure, we start with hang the hanger with weight on potential energy and kinetic energy kit. Then set the height of the hanger equal to 51 cm from the table surface. Third, release the hanger and at the same time start the stopwatch. Stop the stopwatch when the weight reach the surface of the table. Last but not least, repeat step 4.2 and 4.3 with different weight.
Hello, my name is Awaka bin Abdul Halim from DKM 3A, number matrix 14 DKM 19 F1001. Hari ini saya akan menerangkan tentang result dan data analisis. Result, set H bersamaan dengan 51 cm bersamaan dengan 0.51 m. G sama dengan 9.81 m. M atau masa kuasa 2. Velocity just before impact, V sama dengan punca kuasa 2 GH ms less s kuasa 2. Mass kg G yang bila 50, 100, 150, 200 dan 250, dan kg nya akan tukar kepada M adalah 0.05, 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, 0.25, dan masa T AGV 12.22, 6.74, 5.15, 4.19 dan 3.76. Velocity yang dapat pada kotak yang pertama adalah 119.88 jawapan dia. Yang kedua adalah 66.12, yang ketiga adalah 50.52, yang keempat adalah 41.10 dan last sekali adalah 36.89. Macam mana nak dapatkan jawapannya adalah sifar akan tambah dengan negatif, iaitu 9.81. di situ ada kat soalan, dan akan darab dengan TAGV akan dapat jawapan keseluruhan. Untuk cari velocity, untuk cari potential energy adalah PE sama dengan mg dan .h atau joule. Kotak pertama akan mendapat jawapan 0.25, kotak kedua mendapat jawapan 0.50, kotak ketiga mendapat 0.75 dan kotak keempat 1.00, kotak lima adalah 1.25. Okey, seterusnya saya akan mencari kinetic energy. KE sama dengan 1/2 mv kuasa 2 ataupun joule. Kotak pertama akan mendapat 359.28, kotak kedua mendapat jawapan 218.59, kotak tiga mendapat 191.42 dan kotak keempat mendapat 168.92 dan terakhir adalah mendapat 170.11. Macam mana untuk menghasilkan kinetic energy adalah semestinya dapatnya mesti 1/2 akan bagi dengan jawapan akan ambil kepada jawapan kg. Contohnya yang kotak pertama macam 1/2, dan dia akan darab dengan jawapan kg dalam kotak pertama adalah 0.05, akan darab dengan last sekali akan darab dengan jawapan dari ms 119.88 kuasa 2 akan dapat jawapan kinetic energy. Itu untuk cara untuk cari kinetic energy. Sekian kan data analisis, di mana data yang pertama adalah potential energy versus kinetic energy. Situ kita nampak dia dalam keadaan yang menurun datanya, starting daripada 1.25 dia punya bulatan, dan bawah sekali adalah 0.25. Okay, graf yang kedua kita tengok mass versus time. Sama juga data dia menurun, start daripada titik ni adalah sebaris dengan 0.25 dan last sekali adalah 0.05 menurun.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Tariq Tizuddin bin Hilmi Hamid. Metric number 14 DKM 19F 1003. Class DKM 3A. Discussion. Potential energy is defined as mass times gravity times height. Discussion. Potential energy is defined as mass times Discussion. Potential energy is defined as mass times gravity times height. When we increase the mass and height, potential energy increase. Kinetic energy is defined as 1/2 time mass time velocity square. The more we increase the ramp height, we increase the speed, therefore increase kinetic energy. However, our potential energy did not equal the kinetic energy. Conclusion. The objective of lab was to see how the law of conservation of energy was true and that energy is never created and destroyed. It can only transform into a different form. In this lab, I saw that the potential and kinetic energy were constant. As potential energy increased and decreased, kinetic energy increased or decreased oppositely and correspondingly to potential energy. This can also be reserved. This is because the potential and kinetic energy are being converted from the one to another. The possible error in the lab may have come from the inaccuracy of placing the photograph